All right, guys. So we are currently buying gold with the community. Okay, this setup was shared in the community when it was on 5006, and we are live trading it currently. We are risk free already for this setup. We are risk free already for this setup, and boom, it's currently running over 100 plus pips. I think approximately it went aboard over 140 plus pips for this setup. So that's how we roll here live. Of course, that's the advantage of joining my community. So I know some are gonna complain, bro. Why are you coming live now? Well, community first. Okay, it's always community first. It's always community first before anyone else. Okay, so this is the setup we are trading today. We are currently buying gold. The setup was dropped in the community. Setup was dropped in the community when it was on 507. Okay, that's where we entered this trade, and of course it's currently running profits. Well, if you're just joining, this is a good time. I'm gonna add one position there. Okay, it's still good, it still looks good, so I'm gonna add just one position there, just one. Okay, that is a very high risk, just for old timers. Just wait for it to come back and tap into the zone small, then you can add one position there. Okay, but for this we are running 100 plus pips with the community, and we are risk free already for this setup. Okay, that's the advantage of joining my special community, because I shared this setup with my special community when it was on 506. Let me see if I can share that screen here. Said buy good, manage your risks, by the way. Let's see if I can see, where is that setup? This is when I dropped it, buy good. Okay, ready to win. Yep, we're already winning. I can't see the Windows capture. Can I share that? Yeah, so I think this is my Telegram community, right? I think this was when I shared the setup. You can see when I shared the setup, it was on 5007 when I dropped the setup, and I said buy gold right now. I don't know why it's not showing, but let's see if I can switch that. Well, it's not showing, so let's leave it that way. Then now I have a problem because gold is not now showing. That's the problem of OBS. Yep, it's gonna be fixed. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, here we are. New Chrome, and then back again. So yeah, I said I'm gonna be taking another entry here. Okay, yep, and I did on 16, and it's currently 20 pips already. So even though you joined late, yes, you're still in profit. So this setup was dropped in the community when it was when it was 506. So that's the advantage of joining my community. Okay, if you're in my community, you're gonna enjoy more. Okay, ready to win? Yeah. Yeah, almost daily weaves. Okay, so that's that. Let's see how the setup goes. Well, this setup is intended for 910 pips. We risked only 100 pips for this. So if we had to make 910 pips from this setup, and we risked only 100 pips, so how much risk to reward ratio is this? This setup is a 9R setup. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Although we are risk free already, so on break even already, let me type it here. Break even. No. Here, BE 5008. Okay, that's it. Let's make it red so that everyone is gonna see it, or black. Good. Well, the video. Wait, what? How is your message not sending? Hmm? Yeah, it's all right. I don't know why your message is not sending. Well, I'm still gonna explain how I got all this set up. I did the video, which I'm gonna post on all my social media. I think I'm gonna post everywhere: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. It's just a 2 minute video or 3 minutes or so. Okay, this zone we are taking this by was our yesterday's sell zone. Okay, where we got over 500 plus pips from that sell zone. Okay, this was the sell zone. We got 500 pips entry point, sniper entry for that setup. Okay, and how did I got that setup? Well, the supply zone is at this point, but just because I'm sharing half of my screen, you cannot see that point. But I'm gonna drop a video of full explanation how I got this zone. First sell sniper entry 500 pips yesterday, and then right now again another sniper entry on the same zone, and it's currently delivering 130 plus pips. Okay, so, and it's still moving. We are on break even, but that still doesn't mean the market is not moving. Market is moving in our favor, so let's keep riding. Why can't I send a message? Yeah. So yeah, it's not a good message to send. Okay, it's a good message to send. Come on, out of here. We will go live soon. Bro, you're buying late. Well, for this live, I'm really gonna promise everyone today because this is the setup. I am not gonna stay long on this live. I think approximately 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm not gonna stay long on this live. Wally, it's gonna end anytime soon. What I just came to do is to show you guys what I'm currently doing. So, how I got this setup? Well, let me just explain. Let's see if I can explain quickly before I end the live. Good, it's showing. So let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, so this is how I got this setup right here. Firstly was this sell zone. Okay, this sell point here. Firstly was this sell point. I got this on a supply zone 1 hour time frame. Actually, you can see here 1H, which means 1 hour time frame. So I got this supply zone. And why was this supply zone valid to me? Because I had liquidity right here, and gold swept that liquidity. So once gold sweeps liquidity, supply zone becomes valid for me. So I marked out that supply zone, and then my entry point was just in that supply zone. Okay, so dropped the setup, my stop loss was just above the higher high of this supply zone. Okay, so the setup eventually happened to be a sniper entry. Setup eventually happened to be a sniper entry. That's how we got the sell 500 plus pips, and then gold came back to break out the supply zone, so which now becomes our buy zone, which is where I made the entry of buy, and is currently delivering 120 pips. So this setup was just supply and demand. Supply zone broke out. Okay, supply zone delivers 500 plus pips, came out, broke out, becomes demand, entry 120 flips right now. So that's just that for this setup, and this is the reason why I said I'm not gonna be on this live for long, because of what just happened now. So, well, this is the setup. I'm currently buying gold. I'll be back to give you an update once the setup gives us at least, okay, this is the first take profit I'm expecting gold to reach. We'll be back at least here. Okay, 53, at least go to 53 then before it gets to 99. That's 5100. Okay, that's the full take profit for this buy setup. So let's see how it goes. See you guys soon. Well, live ending in 1 2 3, just 15 minutes.